Greetings, fellow explorer of the extraordinary. You have tuned into the sonic ramblings of the Glitch Botanist, and today we are diving into the culinary laboratory where the humble Maggie noodle undergoes a transformation, a mutation, if you will, into something truly glitchy. This morning, as I was examining the roots system of my chili peppers, just checking for any unexpected little root nodes, I got a craving for something spicy, cheesy, and utterly unconventional. And that, my friends, is how the Maggie fried patty burger was born. Now, let's talk about the foundation. We start with a classic Maggie preparation, but with a twist, a botanical infusion. Imagine your favorite Maggie infused with the warm, comforting spices of an Indian kitchen. A pinch of turmeric for that golden hue, a dash of cumin for earthy depth, a hint of chili, and a secret ingredient, a few finely chopped leaves of my generically modified basils, which adds a subtle, almost electric zing. We are not holding back on the cheese either. We are taking cheesy goodness that binds the noodle together like a delicious, edible deliciousness. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once the Maggi is cooked to perfection, we let it rest, cool, and solidify in the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes. This chilling process is crucial. It allows the noodles to bind together, forming the perfect patty for our burger. I carefully arrange the noodles in a perfect square container, ensuring each patty is uniform, a culinary algorithm of sorts. After the Maggi has chilled, we carefully cut it into thick, satisfying burger patty shapes, and then the transformation begins. We dip each patty into a wet batter followed by a dry batter until you get an ensuring crispy golden brown exterior. Imagine your favorite fried chicken batter but coating a Maggi patty. I even added a pinch of powdered dehydrated spinach to the dry batter for a touch of vibrant green and a subtle earthy flavor. Then we carefully load each patty into a vat of hot bubbling oil, watching as it transforms into a crispy golden brown masterpiece. The aroma alone is enough to send your senses into overdrive. A symphony of spices, cheese, and fried goodness fills the air, a tantalizing preview of the culinary delight to come. The oil bubbles and crackles, a symphony of culinary chaos. Finally, we assemble our burger, a toasted bun, a layer of favorite sauces, a crispy Maggi patty, and perhaps a slice of cheese for good measure. I even added a few microgreens for a touch of botanic elegance. And there you have it, the Maggi fried patty burger, a culinary creation that defies expectations and delights the senses. This, my friend, is a sense of culinary exploration. It's about taking the familiar and transforming it into something extraordinary. It's about embracing the unexpected and celebrating the boundless possibilities of food. So go forth, experiment, and create your own Maggie masterpiece. And let us know what is your quirky Maggie recipe. How do you turn your boring Maggie into your unique culinary masterpiece? Remember, even the most unexpected ingredients can create a delicious symphony. And like a garden, culinary creation need care, attention, and little bit of experimentation. Until next time, keep your senses attuned to the extraordinary in the everyday, and remember, culinary creativity is the sweetest glitch of all.